Hi, Nick Rozeskis here from NetApp Support again, and I've got another great time-saving tip that will make it easier to protect against a ransomware attack. Ransomware attacks are ever present and growing these days, so eliminating security vulnerabilities is one of our best forms of defense. How do we do this? We do this through NetApp's AIQ Digital Advisor, which provides insights and guidance specific to protecting against a ransomware attack. And this is done through policy and enforcement technologies designed to reduce the impact of a ransomware attack. ActiveIQ also provides a dedicated wellness ransomware card detailing all the ransomware risks and mitigations to eliminate those risks. ActiveIQ also provides automation for a number of these risks via Ansible playbooks. So if this has piqued your interest, head over to ActiveIQ. This can be done via the support site, mysupport.netapp.com. Thanks for joining me on this video, and I look forward to the next one. Bye-bye.